Imagine this. 1 in every 3 people across the globe identifies as a food lover. Yes, you heard that right. A whopping 1/3 of the world's population considers food not just a necessity, but a passion, an art form, a cultural expression. And who can blame them? The myriad flavors, tastes, and textures that make up the world's cuisines are indeed an adventure that tantalizes the senses and warms the soul. Take a moment and close your eyes. Picture a bustling market somewhere in Thailand. The air is heavy with the enticing aroma of pad thai sizzling away in a hot wok. The crackling sound of the noodles as they're tossed with fresh vegetables and succulent shrimp fills your ears. Next, imagine you're in Italy, a quaint little trattoria tucked away in a narrow alley. The rich, hearty smell of lasagna al forno wafts through the air, the layers of pasta, bechamel sauce, and ragu promising a bite of heaven. But here's the thing. You don't really need to hop on a plane to experience these authentic culinary delights. The world is at your fingertips, or rather, at the tip of your fork. That's the beauty of cooking. It's like a magic portal that can transport you to any corner of the world, right from the comfort of your own kitchen. Now, consider the humble taco from Mexico, a simple concoction of corn tortillas filled with meat. It's a dish that carries with it the rich history and culture of its people. And recreating it at home is not as daunting as it might seem. All it takes is a bit of time, the right ingredients, and a whole lot of love. Or take sushi, the epitome of Japanese cuisine. It's an art form, really, with each roll a testament to the skill and precision of its maker. And yes, it can be made at home. With a little practice, mastering the art of sushi rolling can turn into a fun and rewarding culinary adventure. But why stop there? From the spicy curries of India to the comforting stews of Ireland, from the smoky barbecues of the United States to the fragrant tagines of Morocco, the world is a smorgasbord of delectable dishes waiting to be explored and savored. So, why not embark on this culinary journey? Delve deep into the heart of different cultures. Explore their history, their traditions, their soul, all through their food. Get your hands on those cookbooks gathering dust on your shelf. Scour the internet for authentic recipes, or better yet, reach out to people from different cultures and learn from them. The world is full of flavors waiting to be discovered. So go ahead. Roll up your sleeves, put on that apron, and fire up the stove. Remember, every dish tells a story, and it's time for you to create your own culinary tales. Taste the world one dish at a time. And who knows, you just might find yourself falling in love with cooking, with food, with the cultures and people that make up this beautiful world of ours. Because, at the end of the day, food is not just about sustenance. It's about connection, about love, about sharing, about bringing people together. So take the leap. Start your culinary journey today. After all, the best food in the world might just be a kitchen adventure away. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cooking is about exploration and creativity. So take these global recipes as a base and make it your own. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video, share and comment. See you next time for more cultural food delights.